Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Josh coming to you from American AF Dumpsters at the Roman Ranch. So anyways, I posted a video and I got a ton of questions so far about the truck, and I figured I'd do another video of all the most common questions that I'm getting, or the most frequent questions I've been getting about the Hino with a swap loader. So yes, I did buy this used. First and foremost, this is a 2012. I bought it used because I didn't feel like going out and spending $125,000 on the unit. Plus, it's what Keystone had available. I actually bought it from Keystone. Keystone had it as a box truck, or had it to convert it. They were planning on converting it over to a hook lift. So when I spoke to him about it, was when I picked up my first set of dumpsters, actually, for the Lone Star trailer. I had spoken to him about it. They had offered it, and I was like, oh, there's no way I wanted to spend this kind of money after I just spent money on the cans. And but yeah, the more I thought about it, the more I thought it was a good deal. So bought the truck and swap loader package, including the tarp. Anyways, I bought it all for $52,500, and I believe I paid an extra $5,000 for the conversions. He only charged me $5,000, $1,000 per can. That's all I got right now is 5 cans to do the conversion over to hook lift from my Lone Stars custom built cans that they had built me, if that makes sense, right? Sorry. So they had built me Keystone dumpsters that fit the Lone Star trailer, that I then had them customize with a hook on it and the standard rails so they can come on to this trailer, which they charged me an additional $1,000, just material only. Do not expect them to do that to yours. I believe that was a one-time deal for me, because I literally had just spent the money with them. But yeah, this is a 2012, 240,000 miles, but this is not a standard truck. This is not your standard grocery getter, pickup truck even. This is a diesel 268 Hino, and I am hoping to get, I won't even have it that long, but I believe they get right around 500,000 or more, as long as you take care of them, which I plan on doing. So a truck, like I said, is used, $52,500, including the $5,000 tarp, including the swap loader. Now let's talk about the swap loader. The swap loader is refurbished. Let's go do a little tour of the swap. Actually refurbished. They took it, I don't know where they got it from, but I know everything was in working order, but they did put in all new hoses, all new gaskets, all new, basically everything. Even these things, these little pads were new. They put in the stickers, all new. The swap loader stickers, they put all those new. Everything was, all these controls are new. The wireless remotes obviously is new. This little stopper that they put so that the hoist will stop automatically when it touches that is new. I mean, like I said, the unit itself, I believe, is refurbished, or don't know how old it is, but everything on it that needs to be, or that can be changed out or swapped out, has been. And they they did an awesome job. I'm not going to lie to you. So I paid, again, basically came out to $52,500 with the swap loader 222. Again, let's talk about the swap loader 222. It gives you 22,000 pounds of lift, okay? 22,000 pounds of lift. On this one, I believe I could do a 16-foot can, but I'm going to stick with my 14-foot cans. The tarp really annoys me how it does that. I'm going to have to figure out why it's doing that, straighten it out a little bit, but that's kind of annoying. But yeah, everything on this thing is heavy duty. There's nothing that that they missed so far from what I can tell. It works as it should. Even the fender kit they got brand new. So, you know, my understanding is these don't come with it. I'm not sure if that comes with the tarper kit or not, but yeah, everything, like I said, is this. Even, like I said, the stickers, all that is new. I did have my guy over at Expert Car Audio in Grand Prairie. Shout out to Jim. Did all my lighting. Dude's an awesome car audio and lighting expert. Literally best in the business. He does all my limos. If you're in the DFW area and you need any kind of lighting, camera setup, you name it, he will take care of it for you. Check out the goats, guys. What other YouTuber? I don't know. There's probably some out there. But they got the chickens over there. Roosters around here somewhere. The goats know I'm talking about them. They're making up some noises. But anyways, back to it. Somebody did have paint on my can, which got paint all over my lights, which kind of pissed me off. I got to get that taken care of. But anyways, what else do I got to talk about the swap loader? Okay, about the truck. It is, and this is another big question I'm getting. I can operate this vehicle without a CDL. 25,500 GVWR, which means it keeps me under my 26,000 pounds, which means I can operate this vehicle with no CDL and no DOT. And that's exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, there is no DOT numbers on my truck. I do not have a CDL. I do not want one. Can I get one? Absolutely I can. I don't want the headache. I've said it in numerous other videos. I am keeping this business simple. I don't want to mess with DOT. I don't want to mess with audits. I don't want to mess with none of that. So under CDL. Let's go back to some lighting. I also added those lights. And again, these are yellow and blue strobes. One of the comments in one of my videos that I posted the lights on said that it was illegal. In Texas, it is not illegal to operate blue and yellow strobes. And I can place a link to the website. Okay, 2 20-gallon tanks, I believe, gives me 40 gallons of diesel. DEF system, hydraulic tank, pump. Oh, there's a cow loose on the road. Is this serious? This is what living in the country. Let's go check out the cow. Gotta get this on camera. Put him on the, open the gate and put him in. Come on, where's he at? Don't beat me to the gate. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, he beat me. I can't open the gate. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but there is a cow loose on the road. Let's see here. Dang, I missed it too. He's not that fat. There he is. He's not the neighbor's cow, I can tell you that much. Oh, hopefully the truck doesn't hit him. Ooh. This is why I have a gate. It's back over here. Did y'all see that? Holy moly, there's a loose cow. That's enough excitement for today out here on the ranch. Anyways, where was I at? Blue and yellow strobes, I can do that. Tanks, hydraulic setup, tires. Got the 245 70 19 and a halves. I did not buy steer tires. I needed to replace the front tires, and I bought the rear tires accidentally. I'm going to be replacing those and putting those back here. Need to do something with these wheels. Need some little silver, some chrome, some chrome stuff. What else do I got? What other questions have I gotten? The CDL is a big one. DOT, tarper kit. I'm not sure the brand, to be honest with you. This is not hydraulic. This is a single setup, or the single height. The bars are long enough to go over my 15 and enough to go over my 20 yards. No need to go up and down. Def system. I did put the HUD headlights. What else? Here's what I need, guys. I need some help. I need to figure out, I need to put a toolbox somewhere on here. I have no room for tools. I've got a strap in there. I've got to roll up and organize a little bit, but I've got literally no room for tools. I got little buckies. If y'all been to Texas and you haven't stopped at Texas, or haven't stopped at Buc-ee's, you really need to. But other than that, guys, I think that answers all your questions. Another question I did get: what happens if your vehicle goes down? Well, right now I'm a one-man show, and I plan on being so for quite a while. So, same thing that would happen if my trailer went down when it snapped. I have no plan B. I have no second unit. My single truck, I gotta replace that light and I gotta replace that mirror. That was not me. But my truck is all I got. So what does that mean? That means I've got to find somebody with a backup, or just find somebody that's got, the good thing is I don't have to find somebody that has the exact unit or anything like that to swap over to. I just have to find somebody who's got a 54-inch standard rail hook. That's all I need. So there's a couple of them in DFW, and I've got one that I can call and use as backup in case something does go wrong. But for the most part, just one unit right now. Maybe in the future I'll be able to buy a bunch more cans and have a second unit, but for now it's just one. So anyways, guys, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you have any suggestions on how I can add a toolbox to this, I would love to know. Maybe something right here, I don't really know, but I really could use a toolbox. Let me see on this side, if there's any room. There's a lot more room on this side. It doesn't have the hydraulic tank, so maybe some sort of toolbox right here would be really good. If y'all know of any that's like that I could just bolt on, also please let me know. Otherwise, yeah, I might have to get a custom fit. Oh, we got Mr. Rooster coming up here. He wants to be part of the show. Anyways, guys, I won't give you a tour of the Roman Ranch. We'll keep that kind of private. But with that, we will end this video. Make sure you give me a like, a subscribe, smash that notification bell. If you got any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We truly appreciate all the likes, comments, video watches. I know the Rooster sure does. We truly do appreciate that, guys. And we're glad to be back posting up videos. Like I said, I was gone for a while only because the truck was down for a long time. Plus, I had to get my internet situation settled in this new house. And I believe I've got that all kind of taken care of. So I'm going to try to get you guys as many videos as I can possibly put out. So we will see you guys on the next one.